Oh.
Oh god, it's wild dogs going after Kudu.
Oh, no, leave him alone.
No, that's how they kill, eh?
Oh, just hang on that period.
Yeah.
Really?
Oh, look at the blood coming out.
Oh, no.
There's my camera. My word, this is a sighting of a lifetime, guys. Seriously.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, no, I thought it.
Look at the
It's not fun.
No.
Look at all the other animals.
Ready, stand back.
Look at that. All the other animals.
Approach quickly. You've got the Makanyani here. They're taking down a Kudu.
No.
Repeat your message again.
Makanyani, Claudam, they're taking down a Kudu.
Why didn't you call it in 5 minutes ago?
Because it only happened 1 minute ago.
Fantastic. I told you, Sean.
I've got another vehicle here. You're welcome to first standby.